Okay, it's going. Sorry about that, folks. All right, let's try that again. Sorry, Sarah. Well, that was something.
Question about the solo.
Yes.
Some of the, it says solo and there's nothing written there, and then some of it says solo and there's words. You want us to show us the words, because some people were, says solo,
And then you go back in, it's like all. Yeah, we'll go through that in just a second. There's a bunch of places where that happens. All right, let's go through this first section. Because that's kind of messy. Okay, so we got bases, he was, then tenors joined, big, bass, baby, boy. All right, let's get that. 1, 2, go. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, go. And then let's jump to.
I think we did okay.
Yeah, that one worked.
Okay.
Like the last one or stream.
Last measure, okay.
I'm gonna send thee one by one, one for the little bitty baby love, baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 2 by 2, 2 for Paul and Silas.
So stop for just a second. So it's just shouting, I'm going to send thee 2 by 2, 2 for Paul and Silas, and then everybody else comes in at 45. So I'm put on the video. Let's start at 41. I'm going to send thee 2 by 2. Ready, go.
I'm gonna send thee 2 by 2, 2 for Paul and Silas. 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3, 3 for Paul, children, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem.
All right, let's go through that section one more time.
So, question. Both times it says optional solo, are you doing the optional solo?
Yeah.
Both
Yes.
times? So 350 for children, is that a solo or?
Yeah, solo.
Okay.
Is it who is it then? Is it Linda?
No, it's Shelley.
No, no, she's doing all the solos?
Mhm.
Okay.
Well, but there's another.
There's a second solo.
Solos.
It doesn't have to have it in there, and
Okay.
she's the only one that tried out, so.
Oh, okay. So I'm good.
I sure, I mean, if you,
No, I told him I
she
would
was
do it, but
singing
he-
that other time, so I didn't know.
I'm happy to do it.
It's fine, we'll just leave it with Shelley.
Okay.
Wait a second.
Correct.
No.
It's fine.
36.
Yeah.
All right, ready, go.
Go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 2 by 2, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem.
section,
Yeah. Big advice.
if we could just take a look, so we go through these parts where it's like, you're going through all the numbers, right? And it's like one is mezzo piano, then one's forte, then it goes back to mezzo piano, then back to forte. And right now they're kind of all the same, right? And so I'm trying to get a little bit bigger and stuff, but I don't want to overdo it because you're not really going with me anyway. So
Sorry about that.
that's all right, that's all right. I haven't talked about dynamics much, so let's go back to 36. We'll try that one more time and then we'll focus on the next section, okay? This is the end of the first line of page 6. Ready, go.
Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 2 by 2, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3, 3 for the Hebrew children, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 5 by 5. 5 for the gospel preachers. I'm gonna send thee 4 by 4. 4 for the 4 who stood at the door. I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3. 3 for the Hebrew children. 2 for Paul and Silas. 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, baby boy, baby boy, born in Bethlehem.
How shall I send
Where I send thee, how shall I send thee, children? Oh, where I send thee, children? How shall I send thee, children? Oh, where I send thee, children? How shall I send thee, children? Oh, where I send thee, children? How shall I send thee, children? Oh, where I send thee, children? How shall I send thee? Baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Go, children, go. Born in
So on that one, you want us to hold, out? and-
Keep that one open.
At the end.
At the
on
very end.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
We need tenor help, from about 76, and when we get down to 82, 83, after 5 for the gospel preachers, we need to go through that.
Okay. Well, what was the first number you said, 77?
76, just around there.
Okay, well, why don't we start at 71?
Good.
Just the tenors?
Yeah, just tenors.
Okay.
Actually, go back to 67.
Okay. Yes, good.
1, 2, here we go. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go Okay about that?
Perfect.
I just missed the one spot that I always miss.
Where is it?
The door, just before 87.
Four, who stood at the door?
It's really hard for me to do that.
Where is that?
On page 11.
Track. Shall we bring us in for the gospel preacher?
We're, hold on a second.
I'm on 11.
Fly for
Ready to go.
the gospel preachers.
Four, who stood at the door? All right, yeah.
We know, where that key change in, 51, from, the top of page 7 and then to that key change? Sure. Because it seems like I'm in
Let's try everybody at the top of page 7. Are you wanting to hear just your part?
Right here, so.
Let me hear this with everybody. Okay. Top of page 7, measure 45. Ready, go. 1, 2.
I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3, 3 for the Hebrew
Which that's
children.
the little section you're trying to keep. Sorry. Okay. Go back to 45, just altos this time. Ready, go.
I thought she was doing it wrong and I'm doing it wrong, so now I need to hear it again.
Let's go back to 45 again for altos.
Sounds like it does. Yep, I was going too high.
All right, good, glad you got that fixed. Can I hear everybody at 45 one more time? Ready, go.
I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3, 3 for the Hebrew children, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, born in Bethlehem. Go, 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 children, go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go, 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 children. Go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I'm gonna send thee 5 by 5. 5 for the gospel preachers. I'm gonna send thee 4 by 4. 4 for the 4 who stood at the door. I'm gonna send thee 3 by 3, 3 for the Hebrew children, 2 for Paul and Silas, 1 for the little bitty baby, the baby boy, baby boy, baby boy, born in Where I send thee, how shall I send thee, children?
started.
Yeah.
Faces, can I hear you at your little section there, pick up to 103, bottom of 13? Ready, go.
Where I send thee, shall I send thee, children? Where I send thee, shall I send thee, children? Where I send thee, shall I send thee, children? Where I send thee, shall I send thee, children? Where I send thee, shall I send thee, children? Where I send thee, shall I send
Alright, that was a lot better. Can I hear everybody at 119, please? This is the middle of page 15. So remember, you repeat that once, right? Go, 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 go. And then after we do that repeat, we jump to that second ending there, right? Final ending. And then it keeps going, right? He was up, and we never get that part, and then you all come back in on baby boy.
Which part are we repeating? Are we going back up to 119
Yes.
only?
Yep.
Okay.
So you sing like all through there, and then when you get to that part, you jump back up
Back
here.
here,
and you
that's
sing
right.
all
Yeah.
that, and then you skip this part and jump over there. Does that make sense?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Everybody else get it? All right. All right, so 119, please.
Pick up two or?
Yeah, children. Ready, go. Children, go, go, where I send thee.
How shall I send thee? Go where I send thee, children. How shall I send thee? Baby boy.
All right, try that one more time from 119. That was much better. Ready, go.
Where I send thee, children. How shall I send thee, children? Go where I send thee, children. How shall I send thee? He was a baby boy, born in Bethlehem.